We begin introductory poems for Al-Quran with Into Al-Quran from the 2nd of the 7th month of 1446. Secular people can look at religion, but spirituality will never be secular. What are these texts that shape empires? Language is refined to preserve them in the ways of society and sages. Separate from society, a prophet is sired. A wife is to reaffirm the experiences that carry on from the momentary. Revelation will be known by character and worked out in philosophy. Parallels to the compilations of humanity will be found. The vehicle of reference to inspiration will be grasped more universally. Much more than a function of tradition, revelation takes us beyond the human activity. Here we stand to work it out and question continually. Now, in a way, this poem series is about the 13 parts of this. Now, there's only 12 lectures. I don't know how many times I've seen the lectures themselves or how many times I am going to see the lectures, but this is my program series that is bounced off that. And as you can tell, perhaps even without having access to it, I don't totally agree with his conclusions, both in terms of my own beliefs and pointing out that, there's historical findings or something that may indicate somewhere different. But this isn't as confrontational as John L. Esposito's series in the way that, it seems like a more authentic presentation of what Islam is connected to the Quran is going to actually get into.